I need to do more adjustment on the part.
You need to do it anyway.
I will try just as it is, and then I will take it to the guy who actually can do it.
I thought we yeah, that.
We are the guys who can do it, come on!
We can try, we can try.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Alright guys, so today we are going to test the sound of this beautiful bike, yeah? We're gonna test the sound with the original exhaust that I managed to f*** up really badly. I made a few holes on it, actually more than it was recommended on YouTube, because if you want to learn how to mess up things, you can learn from YouTube. If you want to fix stuff, maybe you can learn from YouTube as well. But definitely it's helpful if you want to mess up things. So, we're gonna test this one. We're gonna see how it sounds. Later on you can compare the sounds, probably we're gonna pop somewhere the videos, you know, with the before and after. And also what we're gonna try to attempt to do, we're gonna try to install this. It's Delkevic or Delkevic or
Delkevic.
the name of this company who does exhausts. It's going to look pretty good and we are really curious to find out how it's going to sound, yeah? So, stay tuned and the volume up.
Who's gonna sponsor us though?
Oh, this?
Sponsored by Red Cardboard! Okay, so let's just do the sound check. Okay, so that's the sound with the so-called original exhaust that has many holes. It does backfire, it does make a lot of pop and bang and whatsoever because the engine is not running smooth. Later on we're gonna fix that one as well. But for now, with the same setup, we ain't gonna touch the carbs, we ain't gonna touch the engine, we're just gonna install those so-called pips and let's see what sound does it make. Let's see.
Come on.
Everything is on. Alright guys, the exhaust is on and let's see how does it sound.
Moment of truth.
Yeah.
Is it on the gear? No, it's in you. Well, I think I might jump the fence with the sound just a little bit. I think that my neighbor's gonna hate me, but it does sound f***ing awesome. Oh, fucking hell, man. I think I'm glad you didn't took the inserts out.
Fucking hell.
It's screaming.
Announcement! But before that, let's talk about our sponsor! Actually, I like it, because you know, my setup for the YouTube channel is the same. I have the seat and the one man meeting, the interview and everything. Oh, by the way, Victor, come here and just smile a little bit into the camera. So, this is like a big announcement, yeah? Our YouTube channel, the things we do, does actually mean that we are doing multiple things, and this is one of the things what we are doing. And my friend here, Victor, has very nice tuned BMW. Probably you've seen the video if you are familiar with our YouTube channel, things we do. But we are not focused only on cars. We are focused on anything that has an engine. It must be like a proper engine, yeah? Or it must be a little bit custom. Even if it's just a scratch or whatever, yeah, but it needs to be custom. So, we're gonna cover bikes, we're gonna cover cars, we're gonna cover a lot of things that are interesting. And Victor has many projects. Hopefully in the future we're gonna make a lot of videos together, because he has an E46 with a big freaking turbo on it. It does pop, it does bang, it's actually powerful as f***. He does know how to do burnouts, a little bit of drifting, and he also has an E30. He also have an E36, and these are ongoing projects. And we also have another friend. His name is Jack. You've also seen him if you're following our channel. He has an E46, which has a big hooligan sticker on the side of the car. He's also running on 440 horses, 440 Newton meters of torque. He's using the car for professional drifting. If you check out our channel, you can see his car as well. Sometimes people are shy, even myself. I wasn't thinking that I ever gonna do a video when I'm actually gonna talk about what we are doing, but I think this is the best time, because beside the fact that we're gonna mess around with mechanical stuff and things like that, we also wanna bring a little bit of fun. I think if you're gonna check out the whole video, you're gonna find something that is for your taste, probably gonna laugh around. Don't take us like being the extreme doctor precise mechanics. We just don't give a f about that. We are here to have fun, and if you're enjoying watching us, yeah, I think I deserve this prize, because this is the first time I'm talking this much in front of the camera. I'm not even sure if the microphone is on, but look at this, look at this. So it has absolutely nothing to do with what I'm doing right now, but it does look better. And you, my friend, you are building up confidence, because as you see me holding this thing, you can see that the mechanic is so serious inside me. My heart is pumping iron and petrol, and we should cut this video. And let's carry on.
And in next episode we're going to unblock the toilet.
Okay, good.